Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles. Features also include rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, security system, trip computer, power door locks, power driver seat. Come take a test drive today.